Hey, buddy.
I finally complete the dragon. This was bag number 10. I can't really show the shine right there. It's like this. And here, you can see there are clouds. You can see this one has a blue ball on it right there. It's kind of cool. My favorite part is the fang right there. You can see it can go up and down like that. And this is the Chinese dragon of Lego, 10 years old. I'm on page 219, step 392.
Wow. Congratulations, dude.
Yay!
Henry, what do you have there?
I have this Lego dragon. I'm only 7 years old, but it says 10 plus 1,171 pieces. The dragon is right here, and it also came with a lighting kit.
Henry, what year is it?
It is the year of the dragon. That's why they made this kind of dragon. It looks very cool, but might be complicated.
Do you think you can do it?
Probably, I guess, maybe about halfway.
Okay. Happy New Year.
新年快乐，恭喜发财。
Henry, what did you just finish?
I just finished bag number 1 of the Lego dragon that I was talking about. And then this, I finished bag number 1. So then bag number 2 is right here. This one is the spare part bag. We put it at number 1 on the part. Maybe this might be the middle of the base of it, or this sounds familiar because these might be the legs. So this might be already the start of the toes of the dragon, or I don't know. So I just finished bag number 2, and it looks like this. You can see the 4 copies are right here, and I just started bag number 3, but I'm almost done with I'm actually almost done with bag number 3. And so then this is the base of the dragon, and also these little parts are for the dragon leg. It's gonna be like this with the lighting kit on it. So this one I just finished bag number 3. I'm on step number 112. It really says to really mean that I'm almost in the middle right there. That means I'm getting closer. I didn't need any help, but I'm building the platform. You see, I'm building the platform all the way back. I'm now going on to bag number 5, which is halfway through this whole entire Lego project. You can see we had a little operation. We had to take out all these pieces so that my claw could fit well, and I'm on step number 142. You can see that this claw kind of move. It's kind of cool. I wonder what claw this is gonna be. We had to take out some parts over here, which kind of make it hard, and yeah.
So that was bag number 4?
Yes, and bag number 5 will continue this part, which I already did here, and bag number 4, same on this side, I'll connect the finishing parts. I just finished bag number 5. On bag number 6, I'm gonna build the body of the dragon, which is gonna connect to these 3 dots. It's gonna go swinging up like this, and then the head's gonna be over here. The tail's kind of hard. It's in bag number 9. like over there. And then you can see I've built these claws for the dragon. You can see some of them move, especially this one doesn't move. You can see I made a lot of clouds because Chinese believe that dragons were in the clouds. They control the rain. This was the ocean and water. So these are the clouds. It kind of looks like the dragons in heaven. You can see these are like the clouds, orange clouds that it made from its own skin. And I'm on step 186. This is bag number 6 completion. This is the dragon body. It looks kind of realistic because it has these plates on it. It also has a red spine on the back right here. It has these weird looking things. It has these Chinese little green leaves or feathers or something. Fortunately, this one and these two are supposed to glue right here, but unfortunately, the spine has to go very tall here. So eventually, the tie head right here. And also, you can see on the box. I'm just only right there. I still in the following three packs, I'm gonna go all the way here into there, and I'm gonna go here. In the 9th bag, I'll go right there, and in the 10th bag, I'll do this. And there might be a cool space to do a lighting kit anyway. Step 200. I'm on step 227. I'm almost done, and I only have 3 ones left. I just created half of the spine. I just finished bag number 7. You can see I didn't do anything on this, but I still did actually I did the dragon spine. You can see there's a lot of strap things. There's leaves and red over down there, and some over here too. And also I'm on page 170 on step 273.
That's bag 8?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I just finished bag number 8 and plus 9 because I did 2 of them, but bag number 8 I did about here. Bag number 9, I did the tail. You can see I didn't really do anything, but bag number 10, I'm gonna do the head. I'm gonna squish it here, and then I'm gonna bring the whole entire thing up here like this, and then the other claw will be right here in the sky. The head will be sticking out like that. I'm on page 195 and on step 344. I finally complete the dragon. This was bag number 10. I can't really show the shine right there. It's like this and here. You can see there are clouds. You can see this one has a blue ball on it right there. It's kind of cool. My favorite part is the fang right there. You can see it can go up and down like that. And this is the Chinese dragon of Lego, 10 years old. I'm on page 219, step 392.
Wow. Congratulations, dude.
Yay!
We're testing the LEDs now, one at a time. This is 1031, A1031, high brightness, 15 centimeter red.
we finish the dragon, I'm gonna show you how cool it is in the dark with only 2 lights and 1 TV on. You can see it's flashing lights. You can also see the lights behind. And if I turn it off, if I turn it back on, it's gonna have lights back on. So that why is because we added a lot of cables among here. You can see my favorite one is this one and these ones because they both make light. Me and Daddy adjust this because it was wrong. So, and we've adjusted that. I want to show you this one is my favorite. You can see how it works because there's a purple right in the middle right there. And this one, it's slowly moving A, B, C, and D. And then it stops. So it doesn't make any affection. And when you go behind and look like me right now, I can see that there